Let's talk to Scott, our chief meteorologist, working the numbers. What are we seeing as far as timing on when we might see a wintry mix?
We are of either sleet, cold rain, some snow that's going to be around. I know you might hear that term, and it's still going to be after midnight tomorrow night. So Tuesday night, overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We're though seeing the rain already with the first little bit of energy shifting overhead, and we've seen off and on rain through the day. And looking at the radar sweep, searching for anything, we do have some pockets of some moderate rain in parts of Tarrant County, and you notice we have this little bit of a line that's developing. Nothing is severe, but we'll have some rain overnight. We might hear a couple of rumbles of thunder in the early morning hours, and then most of tomorrow doing relatively okay until then late tomorrow night, overnight, and then into Wednesday. We're still in the mid-60s at DFW. Our winds are the south-southeast near about 10 miles per hour. So tomorrow morning, you might have a couple of rumbles of thunder right around 7 o'clock in the morning. Our warmest part of the day right around about 61 to 62 degrees. Then the cold front moves through and our temperatures continue to drop mid-40s. By the time we get to 5 o'clock with a north wind at 13, we'll feel more like the 30s, and we're not done cooling down. So the winter storm watch has now been expanded a little further to the east. That does include the west sides of the Metroplex, going into effect midnight Tuesday and then remaining in effect until 6 o'clock on Wednesday. So 6 p.m. on Wednesday. So looking at the future sky forecast again, there's some showers will be around for us. The fronts moved through, and walking you through the timing again. Here we are, about midnight to 1 in the morning. Our far west county starting to see some sleet mixing in with some of the snow and some of the colder rain. That column of air continuing to cool down. That's switching to a lot of snow in the far northwest counties. But you notice by the time we go to about 6 in the morning, the west sides of the Metroplex possibly dealing with that rain mixing with some sleet, some bursts of some heavier sleet. We could see some accumulation on some of the roadways. Then you notice right there that orange and red color, that indicates some heavier rain or maybe some sleet continuing to fall across parts of the Metroplex around 7 o'clock. Then a cold rain again, so we're seeing that mix back and forth. West counties and northwest counties dealing with pretty much all snow. Then we have a second round developing now out to the west that will come in the afternoon hours. Some snow mixed in with some sleet again. Let's break that down here for you just a bit more. So accumulating sleet and snow Wednesday morning, overnight Tuesday into early Wednesday morning. That does include everywhere in blue. Parts of the Metroplex, that west side seeing that accumulating sleet. But then rain to maybe even freezing rain or sleet for Wednesday, most of the Metroplex, and then the southeast, mainly a cold rain late Wednesday and then into Thursday. So we're going to watch the timing. We're going to watch to see if this speeds up or slows down, but it's going to get cold for us. And then by Thursday morning, 28 degrees. We only warm to 45, but thankfully we dry out and the sun returns. By next Sunday, we're back to 70. You're watching CBS 11 News, the ones for Texas weather. We'll be right back.